Let's steam egg tofu with minced pork. Minced pork I cook with 1 teaspoon of miso, 1 piece of chili, I blend it, garlic, chopped garlic. Okay, first I cook the meat. This is the tofu. I cut into 5 or 6 pieces. This is the plate to lay the tofu later after I cut. I make small hole to hold the minced pork. Then I mix the extra tofu into the minced pork. If you cannot take pork, you can use chicken also. I put 1 teaspoon on top of the tofu. Okay, everything is ready. Need to steam about 15 minutes. I prepare the steamer for steam egg tofu. Okay, the water is boiling. Put the tofu in. Steam for 15 minutes. Okay, the tofu is ready. Garnish with spring onion. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget, like it, comment, subscribe. Thank you.